Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com live streaming. And guys, we will see the market, that how the market is behaving as per the indicators. So we will discuss different scenarios as per the indicators in this live streaming. So as we will have more members into our trading chat room, then we will discuss more about the trading. So currently I'm on a gold chart. So first of all, this is the 1 minute chart, and I received the sell signal from the arrow indicator, and this signal was right, and you can see the market already went into the downward direction on gold. So I'm using another supporting indicator that you can see in this live streaming, that the other one is giving these signals in the form of the yellow line. Okay, the top yellow line means that you have to sell any pair if the market comes up to here, and the second yellow line is the lower yellow line, stands for that once the market comes here, then it could be a buying possibility. Okay, but it doesn't mean that the market is going down and you are into the buy positions. That's not a good idea, by the way. Okay, so how I use these indicators, that's very important, that I normally use them with the trend following. Like if the trend is going down, then I mostly put my trades into the downward direction, not into the upward direction. Okay, so we will see the working of these indicators. So currently this is the gold chart right now, and you can see that it's pumping, still pumping down. So why it's pumping down? Because and that's very simple, that the market is already going into the downward direction. Okay, so we will see more that when the upward push comes. So that's the main reason of doing the live stream, so that you can understand the psychology of the trading. Okay, just a second please. Okay, right now the one bullish candle starts, so it doesn't mean that you have to take a buy position, because we do not have any other signal from the indicator as well. So this is the basically the overbought levels of the market as per the other indicator. Okay, so I always advise my traders to trade with the trend. That's the key point, because if you don't follow the trends, then guys, things are quite hard to understand. Okay, so we will see more possibilities here into the other charts as well. Okay guys, if you have any questions, then you can simply ask during that live session. And guys, I have just pinned the WhatsApp message, that if you want to contact me on WhatsApp, the WhatsApp number is given in the description of this live streaming as well. And also you can open the live chat option in this live streaming, and you can get the WhatsApp number. Okay, so guys, we were talking about the 1 minute gold chart. So this is the 1 minute gold chart, where basically we have received the sell signal from the indicator, and then you can see the market went down. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the 15 minute of gold chart. Then guys, you can see the other indicator, that the market pushed below the green line, and then you have seen that the market went further into the downward direction. So basically you must follow the 15-minute chart, especially for the scalping. So if you follow the 15-minute charts, then guys, things will be very easy for you to understand, that you can see the market already dropped, and here you can have a maximum chance to make a profit. So coming back to the 1 minute. Okay, so we do not have any buy signal from the 1 minute, but I will tell you today that that how the signals basically work into the forex market, that how the buy and sell signals actually work. So this is the key. Okay, so right now you can see the little reversal was started, but still we have not received any kind of buy and sell signal from the arrow indicator. So we will check it more. Okay, meanwhile we are going to other pairs like Bitcoin. Okay, so on a Bitcoin 1 minute chart, we have a sell signal on the 1 minute Bitcoin chart. Okay, so guys, we are going to analyze this thing, that how this signal is going on, that we have received the sell signal from the arrow indicator on the Bitcoin 1 minute, and now we will have to see that what's the possibility that either it, because it slightly went down, so we want to see that either more it want to throw down or not. So we will watch this thing. Okay, so those subscribers who have any questions about the indicator, they can also contact me in the live chat option. So better we make a trading room where we can have some discussions as well. So guys, please use the live chat option and please communicate with me in that in case of any questions, so that we can discuss more about the forex trading opportunities. So use the live chat option, put your responses into the live chat, and we will see the market together. Okay guys, it means that the signal was right. So this is good for scalping, that we have received the sell signal from the arrow indicator, and then you can see the market is basically pushing down. Okay, so it was the good signal. So guys, sometimes this arrow indicator needs a refresh, and sometimes you need to refresh it, I mean remove it from the chart, and then you need to load it on the chart. That works good. Okay, so guys, what do you think? Those who are watching this live stream, what do you think about this signal, guys? Was that a good signal from the arrow indicator or not? So two things were meeting this criteria, because you can see from the yellow line the market was rejecting on the Bitcoin 1 minute chart, and then it pumped down, and it was a very good perfect sell signal from the arrow indicator, and the market already went down. So this is the very good gap. So guys, what do you think? Let me know into the live chat option, that what do you think about this signal that we have received from the arrow indicator? What is your opinion about it? So is this a good gap to take a profit? I mean, if we have executed any trade, what do you think? That was that a good gap? So you can let me know about your thoughts into the live session. Okay. Okay. So still the market is making the downward pattern. Okay. So was that a good signal, guys? At least you need to post into the live chat option, so that we can stay here for the longer time, because the longer you will communicate with me, the longer we will stay with the live streaming. So let me know about your thoughts, that was that a good signal from the arrow indicator on Bitcoin 1 minute chart. So keep communicating and keep sharing your knowledge as well. So we will watch the market together. Okay, so guys, you have seen basically we have received a sell signal from on the Bitcoin from the arrow indicator, and then you can see the market dragged into the downward direction. So meanwhile, we will check the gold chart as well, that what happened. Okay, still look, the arrow indicator hasn't given any signal, because the market is simply dragging down. So its red signal still stays here, because it's a sell signal from the arrow indicator from the 1 minute chart on gold. Coming back to the Bitcoin 1 minute right now, and you can see that we have received a reasonable selling gap already, because it's a big gap for scalpers who are going to scalp this market. This is a very good gap that for making your profits, because you have find the scalping opportunity here. Yes, definitely, guys. I agree to one thing, that the indicators might not be 100% all the time, but definitely they are giving good signals. And I also have given another review into the live section, into the live streaming as well. If you have not watched my previous live streaming, then you will come to know about this fact, that how these indicators are working. Okay. Now have a look on Great Britain Pound JPY. So we do not have any other signal. The second signal was a pair. The market went down, and then the market went up. Okay, Euro JPY, testing it on Euro JPY. So right now currently we do not have any signal from it. Going to the Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, this was the fake signal, and then you can see after one candle the market was reversed. So in that scenario you have to exit in that situation. Okay. Okay, what next? Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar has a buy signal right now. Okay, So we have a buy signal on the Great Britain pound Canadian dollar, but one thing guys here that is to be noticed, that when we talk about the trend, so what is the trend right now? It's the downward trend. So basically we are into the downward trend. So if you ask me that when I mostly take my trades, so that's important. I take my trades with the trend, not against the trend. But we will see the indicators that how they perform right now here, even against the trend. So how they are performed right now. But overall, guys, it's more good that not to rely the buy signals here, because you must have seen that the trend is the downward trend, and that's the key method I mostly follow in the trading. And when I give throw the signals into the WhatsApp group, I have a private WhatsApp group for the premium subscribers. They get the signals from me. So in that group, I mostly send the signals as per the trend, or even outside the trend, but mostly I send the signals within following within the trend. So guys, we will keep an eye on Great Britain pound AUD, and meanwhile we will check Bitcoin. Okay, so still the Bitcoin signal stays valid because it's still pushing into the downward direction. You can see we have a sell signal on Bitcoin 1 minute chart, and the market has already thrown so much down by the market movers. So those who are watching this live stream, they are advised to please communicate through the live chat option. So please use the live chat. You must be able to see the live chat option into the live streaming and post your replies here. What do you think about this indicator that it's working pretty fine right now? Because we have received a sell signal, and you can see the market already dragged into the downward direction. Okay, so going back to Great Britain pound Canadian dollar, where we were actually, so we have a buy signal from here. So let's see if the signal stays, and let's see that how the market behaves on it right now. Okay, meanwhile, I am also going to check the other pairs as well. Great Britain pound Canadian dollar, we have a sell signal. Look, we have a sell signal on Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Oh, it's pushing down. Sorry, Great Britain pound AUD, sorry. That's Great Britain pound AUD. We have a sell signal from the arrow indicator. And those subscribers who want to get this indicator, and even the next indicator is also very powerful, the yellow and the green line indicator, they can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is also into the description of this live streaming. And also I have pinned my message here into the live chat option, so you can use the pin message as well, and you can contact me on WhatsApp. And you can also leave your emails to info@200forexpips.com. So guys, this is the live representation of the indicator, that how indicators are working live into the Forex market. So this is the not a pre-recorded lesson, because you can compare the levels with your charts. You will find the same thing, that what's happening into the market right now. So this is the Great Britain pound AUD chart, and you can see we have received a sell signal from the indicator, and right now the market is pushing into the downward direction. So that's the key thing, that when you are going to scalp the market, you should have the right signals. Okay, now guys, the previous signal is not valid anymore, because if you look at here, the market has already moved up on Bitcoin, and now maybe we will expect another signal from the indicator. So until unless the other signal doesn't come, we are okay. We have a sell signal from the Great Britain pound JPY, and Great Britain pound JPY already pumped bit down. Okay, as well as we have a sell signal on Euro JPY, guys. Sell signal on Euro JPY. So let's see this signal. Is that a good signal or is that a bad signal? So we are going to judge it right now. Meanwhile, we will keep an eye on which one, that was Great Britain pound AUD. Okay, the sell signal was here, and you can see the market is throwing into the downward direction. Okay, so this signal was very good. Coming back to Euro JPY, so we will test that either this signal is good. So going to the 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart is pumping near to the green line. So coming back to the 1 minute, so we will see that either this signal is fine or not. So that's what I am also going to watch this with you, that what is going to happen into the Forex market into the next moments. on Euro JPY because we have a sell signal on 1 minute on Euro JPY by this arrow indicator. So guys, what do you think? Is this a good indicator or not? So please share your thoughts into the live chat option. There is a live chat option in every live streaming. I keep the live chat option on, so you can contact me right here and you can just post your replies into the comment section. We have a sell signal on Euro JPY at the moment, and we do not have any other signal on the Bitcoin. We have the sell signal on Great Britain Pound JPY, and we do not have any signal on Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar. Look, guys, let me tell you one thing about this indicator. Look, when the market is just slow, how to understand this thing that the market is slow. For example, if the market is just leaning on a particular level, then do not trust those signals. You need a momentum into the market. Otherwise, not to, when it gives so many signals, you do not have to trust that. Okay, so look at this. This is the Great Britain Pound AUD signal. It has given one signal here for the sell, and you can see completely the market has gone into the downward direction. So this is how you need to focus on, because you need to have a trending market, not a market that is just at a particular level. It should be one directional, it should be two directional, whatever the trend is, no worries. Okay, so Euro Canadian dollar, let me zoom this chart. Okay, we have a sell signal on Euro Canadian dollar, and 1 minute chart we have a sell signal, guys. We have a sell signal. I am again repeating. Going to the Bitcoin, we do not have any signal. Great Britain Pound JPY still owns a sell signal here. You can see the sell signal is still approachable here. Euro JPY, we had a sell signal, and you can see the market is just here right now. So we will see further. And Great Britain Pound USD has a sell signal, but guys, look at this thing. Look, the market is slow at this level, so we want to be sure that the market should break that level, because the market is just leaning on that level. So the sell signal appeared. We want to make sure that either the market is into momentum, because right now the market is just ranging on Great Britain Pound USD 1 minute. So once it breaks that momentum, then we will be into the rhythm trading. Okay. Gold is right now pumped up. So guys, now you can see the other indicator worked very well here. From just above the yellow line, the market starts to make the upward boost, but still we do not have received any signal from the arrow indicator. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar very slow. That's why you can see very much sell signals, but no momentum. Okay, the sell signal was appeared on Great Britain Pound AUD. Already it went into the downward direction. The signal was 100% right here. Euro Canadian dollar. Now guys, look at here. So again, I will repeat this thing. Now always look at the previous candles. Look how many candles were coming and there were no momentum. So that's why you can see the mixture of the buy and sell signals. Okay. So this is not a good idea to take any signal from here. You need to have a ranging momentum, not a ranging momentum. Okay, now this is the Euro USD chart, and Euro USD's chart is also ranging from some time, so that's not a good idea. Okay, Euro JPY we have already discussed about here. We had a sell signal. Okay, now we have received a buy signal. Okay, so we will see that how this signal performs here. On Bitcoin, we do not have any other signal. Great Britain Pound JPY, after the downward signal, now it's pumped up. Okay, now Euro JPY has a buy signal. So I want to check the 15-minute chart of Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY is pumping above the green line. That's kind of a buy signal. So guys, it means that the market can break the yellow line and it can go further up, because we have a buy signal on through the arrow indicator as well. And on the 15-minute, you can see the market stands above the green line. So kind of a buy signal, guys. So we should note this signal. So let's see that how this signal performs here. So Euro JPY with the buy signal on the 1 minute chart as well. And technically, I looked at the market on the 15-minute. It looks slightly bullish to me. So let's see what the outcome of this signal comes. Okay, checking, going back to Great Britain Pound USD, sorry, not Bitcoin USD. So no signal. Great Britain Pound JPY still no signal. Euro JPY has a buy signal, but overall the market is a bit slow right now. Great Britain Pound USD, as you can see that we cannot trade this one because the market is just ranging. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar ranging. Great Britain Pound AUD, already we received a sell signal and the market went down. Euro Canadian dollar looks like it's breaking the entry. Okay, it's breaking the range. Now you can see the last signal stays valid, that is the sell signal, and the market is pumping down. Okay guys, basically this was the range. Look at there, look at the previous all candles, they were here, they were in a range. Now after this range we have received a sell signal from the arrow indicator. Look, the market is pumping down. So that's how. No, you do not have to use this indicator into the ranging markets. Okay, so the market should be two directional or one directional. Either it should be going down or either it's making the upward and bullish both waves. Okay, coming to Bitcoin, no signal. Great Britain Pound JPY received a sell signal. Guys, Great Britain Pound JPY 1 minute received a sell signal here. So let's see, is this signal right or not? Okay, however, the market is not ranging because the previous momentum went up and the next momentum can go into the downward direction. So overall, it's not ranging. So the signal stays valid, that is the sell signal here, and you can see the market is already pumping down on Great Britain Pound JPY. So we have a sell signal on Great Britain Pound JPY by the arrow indicator. And also if we consult the other indicator, that is the green indicator, green level, then you can see the market is below the green line. So it's also kind of a sell signal. Okay, so going to Bitcoin, no signal. Great Britain Pound JPY, we have a sell signal. Euro JPY, we have a sell signal. Okay, but the previous signal still was bullish, and if I take you to the 15-minute chart, it dropped again, guys. It dropped again to the green level. Okay, it doesn't pump very much up. Okay, so we will see any other thing, that is Great Britain Pound USD ranging. Gold. Okay guys, I think we need to analyze gold at the moment. Basically we can expect one more signal on gold as well. So the previous signal on the gold was only the downward signal that was appeared on the 1 minute chart, and you can see the gold has already went down. And now after this good recovery that the gold has made, and we are looking for another signal. So let's see when the next signal comes. So as the next signal comes, I will update you guys. So no signal on Bitcoin right now. Great Britain Pound JPY, we had a sell signal, but guys, the problem is this: the market is bit slow right now, because if we do the live streaming during the day, that could be a very good option at that time. Okay, so Great Britain Pound, so that's very slow. So I think we should keep to gold, at least it's showing us some sort of volatility. Okay, now guys, the next candle of gold 1 minute is pumping slightly down, so we want to see what is the final close of this candle. So we will see here. So right now we are into the gold chart. Okay, the gold is still pumping into the upward direction. Okay, the next candle is starting to pump down. So we have to see that either this is the fine signal or not. So maybe when the drops come, then we expect another signal from the arrow indicator. Okay. Okay, the next candle is also pumping down on gold 1 minute. Good thing that the market's again pumping down. So guys, that's what I was talking about, that always when you need to take a trade on anything, then always it's a good idea that you should take the trade as per the trend. If the trend is down, then you should place your trades with the downward trend. Okay, so we will see when the next signal comes here on gold. So guys, what do you think when we will get the new signal from the arrow indicator on the gold 1 minute chart? The next candle has started. Okay, the gold is still pumping down. So overall, this was the previous signal that we have received on the 1 minute on gold. That was the sell signal. And then we received a buy signal here. And now the gold is again pumping down. I want to see that either the next signal comes or not here. Okay, it's pumping down slightly. It's pumping down still. It's pushing below the green line. Okay, the previous candle is closed below the green line. That's also a sell signal kind of a thing. Now we will have to see that when the next signal comes from the arrow indicator, that's most I am interested in. So guys, those who are watching this live stream, if they have any questions and if they have any questions about the indicator, they can contact me into the live section of the live chat and then they can communicate with me. So there is an option to do live chat here. Use the live chat option, put your message and I will reply to it. Okay, have you seen that the candle was closed below the green line? The next candle is pumping down. So this is the power. Look, the sell signal appeared, guys. The sell signal is appeared on gold 1 minute chart. You can see here we have a red signal here from the indicator, from the arrow indicator, and let's see that how important this signal is. Gold is pumping down, guys, after this signal. You can see in front of your eyes. Yes, Gonzalo Garcia, how are you? So guys, Gonzalo is in my private membership. He is into my private WhatsApp group. He is getting these signals from me as well. So Gonzalo, can you please tell me about the feedback of the signals that you have received from my side, how accurate they are? You can also let the other guys know about the signals that you are getting from me. So please share your feedback. I would appreciate it. Okay guys, we have a sell signal from the 1 minute gold and we want to see that how good is this signal or is the signal bad. We will discuss the both outcomes here because this is the live trading market and we will see that what is the accuracy of anything, even when we talk about the indicators, whatever we are going to talk about the market, then we will discuss here. So the outcomes can be both. They can be good signals from the indicator as well as the bad signals as well. So we will discuss the both scenarios. If the signal goes bad, then we will discuss that why the signal goes bad, and otherwise if the signal goes good, then why the signal goes good, that we will discuss. Okay Garcia, if you have received if you have heard me, then please post your feedback about the signals that you are getting from me into the private WhatsApp group. Okay guys, the next candle of gold is pumping up, so we want to see that either it is going to achieve the same height, because normally I have seen that when the candle gets the same height of the when the arrow appears, where the arrow appears, then we can consider this that the previous signal has expired. Okay, so we want to see that either the market wants to go into the downward direction or this was kind of a fake signal. So let's see, the time will decide. Okay guys, we have received a sell signal from gold couple of minutes ago. No, not a couple of minutes ago, basically 4 minutes ago, because right now we are onto the gold 1 minute trading chart and we are looking at the live signals. Okay, I have to get used to the signals. As soon as the message reaches me, the price is already somewhat different from the level you have indicated and I don't know whether to enter or correct. Okay. So Garcia, look, I sent the real-time signals. The real-time signals in the private group means is that when I see that the market is going to go into the downward or upward direction, like you know that I have sent the sell signal for gold into the previous in the previous hour. So basically, I have given some space in my signal so that you can enter into trade. So maybe when you open your MetaTrader 4, it takes some time for you. Otherwise, the other guys who have taken the signals, I have also shared the screenshot that they have traded the signal. So maybe you are getting late. So I advise you to open your MetaTrader 4 as soon as possible as you get this signal from my side. So that's the answer. Okay. Okay guys, still we are into the sell direction and we will see that what is the status of this signal, because the new signal hasn't appeared till now. So once you get the signal from the arrow indicator, or if you are consulting the other yellow or green indicator, then if you are catching the reasonable profit, then you should simply exit from that trade. That's the good idea. Okay, Garcia, so hopefully you must be clear, because I have also shared the screenshot or shots of the other members who have taken the trades on the same signal and they are into the group, they are live into the group. You can watch them again. Even the other person, that is Rahil Anjum, he's in our group and he has also taken the trade, and I have shared his profit screenshot in the group as well. So just advice for you that always keep your WhatsApp open, and MetaTrader should be on all the time, so that once you have received the message about the signal from my side, then you can immediately trigger it. Okay, always read the level. So I have a difference of some pips. So I was talking about the accuracy. So what do you think, how accurate are the signals that you are getting from me? That's what was my question. So you can let the others know how accurate are the signals, because you have some days you are into the group and you know that how we are sending the signals to our group members. So today I have sent the less signals in the group because the markets were a bit slow. They were not very much good to trade. That's why I have sent the less signals today. So only one signal I have given. Otherwise, you know that I mostly give some signals in the group as well. Okay, guys, any other of you, if they have any questions, they can simply post their questions into the live chat like other guys are posting. So you can use this option. Okay guys, we still have the sell signal from the arrow indicator, and you can see the signal was appeared here, and we do not have any new signal from the indicator till now. So let's see how successful this signal goes on. The signals you have sent so far have been very precise. What is crazy? So brother, when we talk about the scalping signals, scalping means that you are entering into the market and exit from the market into the shorter period of time. Like into the WhatsApp group, when I have sent the signals and after 5 minutes I have sent the message to take your profits, it means that they have reached to their target price where I was expecting. Okay, so it's not scarcity, it's very simple that you need to be quick here. Okay, so you need to be quick because it's good for you. When we talk about the long-term trading, then I have another service, that's the email signals that you will get for the whole day, and you will be able to trade them, and they will be for many hours. But here in the scalping you can make a quick chance. Like for example, if we take an example on gold here, for example, if you have taken a sell chance here and the market is bid down, so this is what you can get from the scalping signals. You can not take very long trades while you are doing the scalping, otherwise you will be in a big risk. Okay guys, once we are on to gold, I want to check the other pairs, that is Bitcoin. Okay, yesterday you said buy Bitcoin and the price of, I think in after a few minutes the price went up 5%. Yes, yesterday I have given a buy signal into the group as well on Bitcoin. That was good, and you must have seen that the market was already drastically, it went into the another direction, into the same direction, bullish. Signal was 100% right. But brother, it doesn't mean that you will be getting same stuff all the day, because it does not depend on me. It depends on the market momentum. Like for example, it's 10:30:26 by my time, and right now the markets are very slow. Okay, now if you look at here, we have received a sell signal on Bitcoin 1 minute. You can see the market dropped already. So here it's the clue that you have to exit from the trade as soon as possible once you have a reasonable profit at the end. So if you will be looking for the maximum profits while scalping, that's not a good idea. Okay, now you can see we have a sell signal on Bitcoin 1 minute chart. Look, the market is dropping, the third candle is pushing down, and after this candle we have received the message, so that if you have taken the profit from the two candles, then you must be exit. So two candles, three candles, they are more than enough, because right now we are not into the day, we are into the night time, and we cannot expect higher profits at that time. We can expect smaller gains. Yes, definitely, if I will be doing this live stream during the day, then you will get a more chance, because the market will be more volatile during the day, the market moves more higher. So that's the key thing. Okay, okay, now we have a sell signal on Bitcoin 1 minute. You can see the market is pumping down, and you can see that's a good signal. So the arrow indicator worked again. It's a very good signal. Look, the market is pumping down. So who else into the live trading right now? I mean, who are watching this live stream? So what do you think, guys? Is this a good indicator? What do you think? Because I have tested it, I'm still using it on the other time frames as well. So guys who are watching this live stream, please use the live chat option and tell me about the thoughts, that what this indicator, is this a good indicator or not? We have received a sell signal on Bitcoin 1 minute, and from the 3 minutes, and that's the fourth minute, the market is basically going down. So guys, let me know about your thoughts into the live chat option. Please use the live chat and quickly drop your reply here. Okay, so use the live chat option. Please give me a quick reply, because this is the live trading room where we are watching this market, and I want you to share your thoughts with me, so that we can work together and we can do a much better live stream. Instead of just watching the live stream, we should better communicate and learn from each other. So it's a good idea. So use the live chat option, and please post your comment here. And those subscribers who are watching this live stream, and also those subscribers who will watch this live stream later, if they haven't joined the WhatsApp group till now, and if they have not subscribed the YouTube channel, and even if they have not liked this video, then please like this video, because I take some time from my daily routine to come here and show the results with you, that how we are getting the results from the market. So guys, you can see that after this sell signal we have received a drop, and thank you Garcia that for your feedback, that we are getting very amazing results with this indicator. Thank you very much. Okay, so Garcia, look at this point. So once you have triggered your trade for the scalping purpose, from here to here you have caught your profit, then you need to exit, because you are just doing scalping. Okay, so scalping doesn't mean that if the market drops more 10%, then you also have to take that 10% as well. So scalping means entering into the market for the quick period of time and exit from the market within a quick period of time. Okay. So that's the key to success while you are doing scalping, because sometimes it happens that maybe this is a drop coming right now, but maybe if the candle goes up, then what you will do, you will lose your potential profits that you were getting before. So never lose your potential profits. Definitely you will be getting small gaps while doing scalping. You will not be getting very big gaps. Like Garcia, if you see in my WhatsApp group, when I send the signals to my subscribers for the scalping, then I normally send them of within 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes that to take your profits, because this is all about the scalping. Otherwise, if you are a day trader, then copy my other signals that I am sending to my subscribers through email. They are valid for hours. So this is the difference between the scalping signals and the day trading signals. I have basically the both services. So guys, this is a very powerful trading tool that we have right now. We are using it on Bitcoin right now. We have also tested it on gold as well. We have just discussed everything about it. So we have received a sell signal from this arrow indicator on the Bitcoin, and you can see that the market's simply gone into the downward direction. So that was a very good chance that you can take your sell positions, and you must have traded in a very good way. So even those subscribers who were watching this live stream and within this drop, that I have advised you that what about golden big time frame, is it going up? What about gold? Okay. So Jigar Patel has said what about gold in the bigger time frame? Okay. So basically Jigar, we are into the scalping right now. So if I talk about this indicator, then I can tell you overall I have a sell signal onto the 1 hour on gold as per the trading system, this trading system. So basically this trading system is for the, you can say that for the low term, short term trading. So overall we have a sell signal here, and on the by the arrow indicator. Okay, so I'm just consulting the arrow indicator. On the 4 hours, I previously have the buy signal and the market went up, and right now I do not have any signal. So going to the daily, on the daily gold we have a buy signal. So guys, this is the notable thing, that on the daily I have a buy signal from the arrow indicator on gold. So buy signals. So Jigar Patel, your question is answered, that we have a buy signal on gold on the higher time frame. Okay, anyone else who has any question, they can simply ask me into that session. Okay, right now if you look at here, we are already getting a drop on Bitcoin USD. So if your trades are into profit, then you need to immediately exit from that trade, because now the market starts to pump up. So you must have taken your profits in that scenario. Hopefully this will be clear to you as well. Okay guys, one more thing, that we do not use the lower indicator that you can see into the here. Okay, Jigar, thank you very much. You are welcome. And moreover, those subscribers who want to get this powerful arrow indicator, or the yellow line and the green line indicator, they can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this live streaming, and also I have given the number. Can you share the arrow indicator? Yes, Jigar, this is the paid indicator. This is the premium indicator. And if you want to get it, then please contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this live streaming, or you can see the pin message at the top. You can email me as well on info@200forexvips.com, or you can contact me on WhatsApp, and then you can get the details about this indicator. Okay, now you have seen that after some time, when the market drops, then you have to take your profits. Otherwise, you can lose your potential profits. That's the thing. The arrow indicator is very powerful. It's giving very good results, and we have worked on it as well on Bitcoin on Sunday. When the markets were off, you can also enjoy the market when the markets are off, because Bitcoin is not going to off even on Sundays, so you can trade with it as well. And the only currency is Bitcoin that gives the good results when we talk about the crypto trading. Okay guys, so we want to see other things. Okay, on the other pairs, you can see the markets are bit slow. So that's why when the markets will be slow, then you will expect more signals. So that's what I don't recommend. Okay, now you can see the small candles are appearing here on Great Britain Pound USD. So that's not a good idea to trade. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you catch only two pairs, let me tell you, if you trade this indicator on just two things, like for example on gold, especially, and then the second thing, if you use Bitcoin, then simply there will be no need to trade any other thing. But here for the testing period, I have opened few charts that if my subscribers ask about the analysis, then I can make it for you. So guys, what do you think, those who are watching this live stream, what they think about this indicator, that is this a good indicator or not? So please leave your comment into the live section. And those who want to get this indicator, they can contact me personally. They can contact me on WhatsApp. They can contact me on email here. Okay, this indicator works on every time frame. Yes, the arrow indicator works on every time frame. You can see if I go to gold and the 1 minute, 5 minute, no signal. We do not have a 5 minute signal. If we talk about the 15 minute signal, we previously had the sell signal. If we go to the 30 minutes, we previously had the sell signal. If we go to the 1 hour, we still have a sell signal from the indicator, arrow indicator. You can see the red signal here. Going to the 4 hour, we do not have any other signal into the recent time because the previous signal was buy. And then if we talk about the most recent signal that we have received yesterday onto the daily chart on gold, that is the buy signal in the form of the blue arrow. So basically it's more giving you more signals. And okay guys, we have received a buy signal here and you can see the market pumped up on gold. So we were discussing some other opportunities and meanwhile you can see the market already went up. Okay guys, one more thing. If you look at here, the bands are not, the bands are very far from each other onto the 1 minute chart on gold. So this is telling you about the level of volatility, that the volatility is so much high right now. Okay. So the previous signal on gold was the buy signal, the market went up, and now we will have to see that what comes the next signal. The candle is currently dropping on gold right now, and you can see the candle that is in appearance right now, it's dropping. So we want to check it, that either we get another signal from the arrow indicator or not. Okay, the next candle started and we have to see that when we receive the next signal. This is the gold 1 minute trading chart. So guys, please make sure that you are onto the right chart, because you can compare the market with your charts as well. And currently the previous signal on gold was the blue arrow, that was the buy signal. The market already went up, and now we are still looking at the market. It's still pumping up due to the previous signal that we received. But overall, if you have traded this signal and if you have caught your profit, then you should be exit from the market, because this is because on 1 minute you can only do scalping. You cannot plan very long trades onto the 1 minute chart. Okay, meanwhile, when the gold behaves, I will be going to Bitcoin. Okay, we previously had the sell signal, the market dropped. Okay, so coming back to gold again. So I am looking for another signal on gold. So let's see when the next signal comes, because the next signal doesn't depends on me. It's completely depends on the arrow indicator. And sometimes guys, that it starts to give so many signals, then you need to reload it onto the chart, because sometimes it start giving some more signals. Then we need to refresh our charts. We need to refresh it. Okay, right now after this you can see a very good. Brother, look, everything is in front of you. It's not repenting right now. You can see it's not repenting, but sometimes I have seen that when we switch our charts to the other time frames, especially on 1 minute, the market sometimes loses its arrows on the 1 minute. That's what I have experienced. Otherwise, it's not repainting. So, for example, let's say if the next arrow appears, so we will watch it together. But sometimes switching the time frames create a problem. It does not remove the arrow on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frames, then definitely we can say that while switching the charts, because sometimes it gives a signal that you can say that it's maybe it's not 100% valid, and then it removes it sometimes. I have not seen it all the time, but only sometimes. So let's see. Right now we will watch it together that the market has moved up. Now we will see that when the sell signal comes. So if the sell signal will come, then we will watch it together, and we will see that either it repaints or not, so that it should be in front of your eyes. Okay, the next candle started, it's still pumping into the upward direction. The next candle is still pumping up, guys. This is the gold 1 minute trading chart, guys. Those subscribers who have the questions about this indicator, they can simply contact me into the chat box. You can use the live chat option to communicate with me. So please post your comments into the live chat option. Okay guys, can you see the market is about to reach at the yellow line? Can you see this is the overbought levels? So let me tell you one thing. If the market crosses this yellow line, then we do not have to do anything as per the other indicator. That indicates that let the market go up. If it wants to break the yellow line, let it break up, and then let it go up. And once it starts the reversal, then we can be interested in selling it. Okay, now you can see just below the yellow line, the market is pumping up. So maybe this could be a bearish signal. Now we will have to check the arrow indicator. That maybe the arrow indicator gives another signal on the chart right now. So what do you think, guys, that we will get another signal from the arrow indicator? What do you think? Post your comment into the live chat option. The next candle has just started. This is gold 1 minute trading chart. Okay, so right now there is no arrow to sell. It means that maybe the market still is trying to go a little bit up. So not sure. Let's see how the market behaves into the next minutes. Okay, the next candle has started. The next candle started again. Okay, so you can see that still the market is pumping up. So it means that the previous blue signal was valid because the market has already given you the sell signal. Okay, the next candle that's going to decide either it wants to go down or up. It's just fighting at this level right now. Because it's somehow a bearish signal. So let's see how accurate is this, because as per my experience it's a bearish signal on the 1 minute. The next candle has chances to go down. Let's see. Okay, the next candle has pumped down. So have you seen that basically I'm a day trader, so I watch the market onto the hours like this. So if such type of candle appears, the next candle has many chances to go down. So that's why on that time I say, because once we get a chance on the 1 hour like this, then we take the advantage from the next hour. So not sure about the next candle, but overall I was a bit sure about the previous candle that it has to go into the downward direction. So right now we just have to look at when the next signal comes, and meanwhile we are switching to Bitcoin. Okay, we have a sell signal on Bitcoin, guys. So I'm just going to take on the 15 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, no, we are going to on gold again. Okay, the gold is getting a bit slower right now. Okay, again pumping up. So it means that the previous blue signal still stays valid. So it will give a sell signal when it will be very much confirm about that particular signal, then it will throw the sell signal. So let's see when it gives the sell signal on gold scalping right now. You might be waiting for a sell signal on gold. So even I want to also see that how the sell signal comes here, because I watch this indicator. So you are not with me and you might not be able to use that indicators until unless you do not have the hands on this indicator. Okay, the next candle slightly pumping down on gold 1 minute chart. Again it's pumping up, no worries. So guys, can you see that sometimes when the market is into the momentum, then we have received a buy signal from the arrow indicator, and look how perfect the buy indicator was. Like it has not given us any other new signal during that trend. So it has just showed us a blue arrow that I want to go up, and then this signal stays into the market. And right now, if you look at gold, the gold has already pumped so much high. So the next signal will only come when this arrow indicator will see that is kind of a good signal to communicate. Then it will throw the signal. Otherwise, it might not be interested. Because as I understand this indicator, it's basically follow the momentum, that when the one momentum is going to end. For example, right now on the 1 minute chart of gold, you can see this is the buying momentum right now, the bullish momentum. So the buyers are coming into the market. So that's why it's stuck to the one signal, that is the blue signal. So now you can see from many minutes there was still a chance to take a buy position. And if you are following the trend, because it has already showed you the trend, that the trend is the buy trend right now. and the market is good. Okay, so once the trend gets changed, I mean, when it will see that the trend is changing on gold right now, then it will provide us with another signal. So right now I'm just running this live stream, this only due to this, that I want to find another signal from this indicator, so that the signal should be in front of you and we will see it together. So the previous candle has the downward momentum, so let's see what happens to this candle. So guys, what do you think? Will the drop come on gold or not? So we will get the sell signal on gold or not? What do you think, guys? Post your comment here into the live chat option. So let's not get bored. Let's communicate with each other. So use the live chat, communicate with me, and let's not get bored while watching the market, because I'm also watching the market with you. So if you have any questions, you can simply post into the live chat option and you can throw your comments here. Okay guys, the next candle is pumping down on gold. So we want to see when the next signal comes by the arrow indicator. Right now it's pumping down. So we want to see. Rashid Mughal said, what about Great Britain Pound USD? Okay, Rashid Mughal, let me take you towards the Great Britain Pound USD chart. So on the 15 minutes, we don't have any signal. On the 30 minutes, just a second, no signal. On the 1 hour, previous signal was the buy signal. And on the 4 hour, we had no signal till now, because there is no signal. On the daily, we are into the buy. So overall the trends are into the buy on Great Britain Pound. Okay guys, we have received the sell signal from the arrow indicator on gold. Now guys, let's see this signal, that how the signal works on. So we have received a sell signal on gold 1 minute chart. So we will test the accuracy of this indicator by this signal, because this signal is appeared after the long upward trend. So if we talk about the previous trend, then it was completely into the upward direction from here to here. And now we have received a sell signal on gold on the 1 minute chart by the arrow indicator. We want to see that how this signal is this a good signal or is this a bad signal? So let's see, and guys, the time will decide that what was the accuracy of this signal. So Jigar Patel, you were asking a question about the repainting. So now you will see everything in front of your eyes, that how the next signal behaves. Either it is going to change its signal or either it is not going to change its signal. So the time will decide. So just watch the latest candles on gold, and I am going to remove these trend lines so that you can watch the market. So keep an eye on the market and things will come to know that how this market behaves. So currently we have a sell signal on gold 1 minute chart for scalping purpose, not for the long trading, guys. So guys, we are watching this market and this is the gold 1 minute chart, and what we will see that either this signal that is represented by the gold right now, is that fine or not. Okay, Rashid, you are saying that you were into the sell. So, brother, this is not a good idea, because the market is completely into the bullish direction. And as far as I remember my signal was also bullish on. No, sorry, I did not prepare the signals, but I remember the previous signals that I sent, they were bullish from my side. So, brother, I recommend you to always follow the trends, not to go against the trend while you are trading. Okay guys, we had a buy signal from the arrow indicator, and we want to see that is this a good signal or is this a bad signal, because the time will decide, and we will see that either it switches its signal or not, because there are some indicators that once they give the red signal, then they immediately give the blue signals for buy. So we are also going to test this as well here. So right now you can see the next signal appeared, that is the buy signal. However, it has not disappeared the previous signal. Okay, now if I will switch my chart, then this is the one problem that I was discussing on that time, that if we switch our chart, then one signal removes. For example, if I go to the 15-minute chart, and now you can see that there is no signal on the 15-minute. Now if I come back to the 1-minute chart, then you will see, okay, now again they are not removed. So sometimes it happens that what I faced a problem, that one of the signal removes on that time when I switches my chart, especially on the 1-minute chart, that the problem comes. Okay guys, now the recent signal that we have received is the buy signal. So let's see that which signal is good right now. So overall, basically it has ignored his previous signal that was given by the arrow indicator. Now the arrow indicator is telling us that I want to go up, and this is the kind of a buy signal. So we will have to see that are these arrow going to stay here or not. Yes, definitely I agree to this thing that no indicator is 100% into the forex market, and we all do agree with it. Okay guys, now let me tell you one thing. That now you can see that many signals are appearing here. For example, now you can see this was a sell signal, this was the buy signal, this is again the sell signal. So why this is happening here? Because if you look at the previous all candles, then they are just leaning on a particular level. So the markets are not ranging. Markets are ranging here. So this is the trending market. Like the market was going into the upward side, that's a good signal. But after going up, the market stays at that level. So this is the problem. You do not have to trade it during the slow time, because right now it's going to be 10:57 p.m. by my time, which means that this is the night time here, and the markets are going to be very, very into the range. Okay, so this is the only problem that you can get. Otherwise, these indicators are very good for trading during the daytime. And even if you are going to do the trading, especially on to the higher time frames like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and on to the 1 hour, then it can give you good results. Because if we talk about the 1 hour signal, when I started this live streaming, I told you already that we have a sell signal from the on gold from the arrow indicator. So this is kind of a good signal. This signal appeared after a very long time. You can see the previous signals were not here, and even we have a buy signal very much before that level. And now we, after so much upward trend, then we have received a sell signal. So one thing is common, that the higher the time frame that you will use, the more accurate will be the results. Now you can see even here that one of the signal is also disappeared. So that's problem comes while you will switch the charts. Overall, when you are trading the higher time frame, then it does not switch the signals. Now you can see the overall, it's still indicating that on the 15 minutes we have a sell signal. So this is all about it. So coming back to the 1 minute again, now you can see it has disappeared, the blue signal, due to the switching of my chart. Okay guys, so it's good that if you use this indicator at least on the 15-minute chart, that will be a very good option, because on the 15-minute you can see that we have a sell signal. The higher the time frames, the more accurate will be the results that you will see on the screen. Okay, so because I will be doing the live streaming, that's why I open the 1 minute chart for you, that you can also watch the market. So going to the Bitcoin, now you can see again one thing. This is not good for trading, because the market is just leaning at a particular level. Here you can expect more signals like buy and sell. So this is not good for trading, because this is the slow time of the market right now. Okay guys, I will run the live streaming for the charts. I think so that let them run. So which chart should be good for? Okay, right now I'm going to take you towards the gold chart, so that you can watch the market, and I will set up this signal onto the 15-minute. Is that fine, or 5 minutes? Okay guys, I will keep this live streaming on. Can anyone suggest into the live chat option, should I set the time frame to 5 minute or 15 minute? Because after that I will go and I will keep this live streaming on for you guys, so that you can copy the signals from the indicator. Okay, so just let me know about that, which time frame should I set it to on gold right now. And right now I will set it on set up it on gold, and when it will be very late for you, then I will set up it on the 15 minute as well. Do you have only live signals just like that? No, Rashid, this is just for the scalping purpose. Otherwise, we use other indicators as well. And we also do our own technical analysis. So these are the live signals that if you want to copy and if you want to get the benefit from them, then you can. Because the higher the time frame, the good results they can give you. Because on the 1 minute, you can see that the market is very volatile. So anyone who is going to tell me otherwise, I will do it by my choice. I will set up it on either on 5 minute or 15 minute for the signals. So if you want to suggest me here, then I will simply copy it. That if you want the signals on the 5 minute, then I will set up my time frame to 5 minute. Otherwise, I will be setting up it on any time frame. How can we get signals daily? You need to contact on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com, or you can also contact me on WhatsApp. Yes, definitely. These are premium signals and they have a charge. So you can contact on WhatsApp, and the email address you can find on the website info@the rate of 200forexpips.com. Okay guys, I am setting it on gold 5 minute right now, and I will let it run right now. So we will see, and even on the 15 minute, if I see that we have a sell signal. Okay, I will set up it on the 5 minute gold right now. So guys, keep watching this live stream. I'm just going to mute my voice here right now. Hopefully things will work for you. And if anyone wants to take this indicator, they can contact me on info@the rate of 200forexpips.com, or they can also contact me on the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this live streaming as well. And there is a pin message at the top where you can find the WhatsApp number, and you can contact me as well. So Rashid, please contact on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Bye bye.